We are all dependent on the natural world. Every breath of air we take, every mouthful of food we eat, depends upon a healthy natural world. We have no alternative but to try and work in harmony with the natural world. If we ignore its requirements, if we tread roughshod over it, if we simply destroy it when it gets in our way, we will pay the price. Some might say we are already paying the price. Now is the time to make amends, and now is the time to listen to our conscience.